Alright, let's talk about change. You know, that thing we all say we want until it actually happens. Then suddenly, we're clinging to our old routines like a koala to a eucalyptus tree. No, thanks. I'll stay right here in my comfort zone. It's cozy, it's familiar, and most importantly, it doesn't involve any unexpected surprises. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. Change is scary because our brains are basically overprotective parents. They're like, whoa, 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 new job, new city, new habit? Absolutely not. Do you know how many things could go wrong? And suddenly, we're paralyzed, stuck between what we want and what's comfortable. But here's the kicker. Growth doesn't happen in comfort zones. So, how do we stop fearing change and start embracing it? Let's break it down. First, acknowledge the fear. It's normal. Your brain isn't broken. It's just doing its job trying to keep you safe. But sometimes safe feels a lot like stuck. The good news? You can reprogram that instinct. Think of it like updating your brain's operating system. Hey, thanks for the concern, but we're doing this anyway. Step 1. Start small. You don't have to quit your job and move to Bali tomorrow. Tiny changes count. Take a different route to work. Try a new food. Wear that shirt you love but never wear because where would I even wear this? Spoiler. The grocery store is a perfectly acceptable runway. Small wins build confidence, and confidence makes big changes feel less terrifying. Step 2. Reframe the story. Instead of thinking, this change is going to be a disaster, ask yourself, what if it's amazing? Our brains love catastrophizing, but they're equally bad at predicting the future. For all you know, this change could lead to something incredible. So, why assume the worst? Step 3. Focus on what you gain, not just what you lose. Yeah, change means letting go of something familiar. But it also means opening the door to new opportunities, experiences, and growth. It's like trading in your old, lumpy couch for a brand new one. Sure, you had some good naps on that old couch. But the new one? Way better back support. Step 4. Build a support system. You don't have to face change alone. Talk to friends, family, or even strangers on the internet. Hi, by the way. Sometimes just saying your fears out loud makes them feel smaller. Plus, other people can remind you of how capable you are, especially when you forget. Finally, remember this. Change is inevitable, but suffering through it is optional. The more you practice embracing it, the easier it gets. So, today, do one tiny thing differently. Order the weird coffee. Say yes to that thing you'd normally talk yourself out of. Prove to yourself that change isn't the enemy. It's the secret sauce to a more interesting life. And if this helped, hit that like button, drop a comment about what change you're tackling, and subscribe for more tips on leveling up your life. Now go out there and make fear your sidekick, not your boss. You've got this.